And there's also obviously projection in that presentation area. What's the position there? It's like quite a large electronic screen.
No, it's a big it's a big screen that comes down from above, and it fills the whole area of the tank. Mm-hmm. So the tank is actually hidden. And it was also the way that it revealed the whole thing when the opening. The queen pushed the button, and the whole thing went up, and then opened. So. And you have two projectors, two senior projectors projecting on that area, and a Coolux system behind media player.
Okay, so talk to me about that a little bit. The central rack room holds a couple of Pandora's boxes?
Yeah, it holds Pandora boxes for 2 areas, and there's another rack room where there's another Coolux system, Pandora box system, that holds the things for the ocean tank. So in the foyer you have a big curved video wall, where that there's 2 projectors pointing at that, and it's made some soft etching between that, and there's an HD film in 4K running. Okay. But because of the daylight coming from outside and because of the light that are present there, it's a dark movie. Sure. Yeah. Sure. And also shows pictures from underneath the water, which so is
not the bright content.
No, it's not bright content. So from time to time, it tends to get a little darkened. But
and how are you distributing video signals around?
We're doing that over network.
Are you doing that over IP?
Yeah. Okay. And with some small boxes.
Okay, so you're encoding, decoding at the projector point. Yeah. You're not using much fiber in here, though, right? Most of it is cut 6.
Yeah, that's cut 6 because even though that the house looks big from outside, it's quite small, and because of the placement of the rack rooms have been strategically well placed, we don't need that many kilometers of running cables.
Okay, and there are a couple of other separate spaces, like there's obviously that small cinema downstairs.
Yeah.
And that's a short throw projector. So was that Epson?
That was an Epson. No, it's Vivitech. Sorry, Vivitech. Yeah.
And then in actually the room we're in now, which is like an auditorium, there's another presentation system in here.
Yeah, and that's a classical system where you have a senior projector and some speakers and a screen.
Can you bring a source in here, so like an input plate and that kind of thing as well? Or?
Yeah, I can do that, yeah.
All right. The sort of master clock, if you like, is a Crestron system on top of Dimitri, right?
Yeah, well, Dimitri is the main brain, and Dimitri is controlled by Crestron. So when you come in the morning, you press the button, and Crestron sends a message to Dimitri that starts up. Dimitri runs the light desk by SEMTer, and Dimitri also sends MIDI signals to the light desk when you need to have a thunder running, such a thing.
And it's also sending signals to Coolux to trigger the video stuff as well?
Yeah, no, Dimitri sends the things into Coolux, and there is an interface to the BMS system here in the house, which is the light system. So the Grandma system is actually sending and communicating over Telnet to the BMS system.
Okay, and you have the ability to monitor the system from outside as well, don't you? So
I have ability to monitoring the Dimitri system from outside.
Okay, so you can diagnose any issues or whatever.
Yeah.